is showing my viewers your Christmas sweater.
You look like Chewbacca. Hey guys, it's me and this is Red Luna Journal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Day, hence wow, the Merry Christmas. So my family is actually out right now. They're on a hike, being the productive people they are, and I thought, why not take this time to film some videos. It's been pretty crazy, as I'm sure it has been with you guys too for the holidays. So I wanted to show you guys my dog. This is Scotch. He's a little fluffy right now. He definitely needs a haircut. Yes.
Where's Gigi?
He's with me. I'll be done in a minute. As I was saying, he needs a haircut, and it is pretty obvious. He looks a little bit like Chewbacca, but it's okay. All I wanted to do was show you guys his Christmas sweater that I got him. It's really cute. It's a turtleneck, and it's plaid. And yeah, now I'm gonna put him away because I am in my room, and the window that is in my room faces the street, and he just barks at every living thing that goes past it. So we're gonna keep him out of this video, but he wanted to say hi to you guys. Hi. Okay. I wanted to film a makeup tutorial for you guys because I haven't done that in so long, just because I just came back from college, as you guys know. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I hope this kind of helps you for any parties. It doesn't have to be for Christmas only. It can be for New Year's as well, which is coming up. Where has the time gone, guys? It's a Christmas, and then next week it's going to be New Year's, and then we're gonna be in 2020, starting a new friggin' decade. So wow, time has passed really, really fast. But that being said, let's get on with the rest of this video. All right, so I'm gonna sit closer for this part just so you guys can see my face and everything I'm putting on it. Let's start. What I like to do is use my CeraVe micellar water. So I actually tend to use this a lot in winter time just because my skin gets really dry. I will take one of these little cotton rounds. This is so weird, guys. I love filming again. It just feels so natural, and I missed it a lot. So let's take some of this and just spread it on a little cotton pad. We're gonna take this and we're just gonna liberally wipe across your entire face. Another thing I always use during the winter is eye repair cream. It's just something that I think is a necessity for the winter time. Okay, so now that all of that is done, we are actually going to start off with some foundation. So y'all know I don't use foundation, apologies for that. Do these steps in whatever order you need. So next I'm using my Youngblood blush in the shade Blossom. So I'm just gonna take some blush, tap it out on this fluffy brush, and smile and just apply it. So that is done with. Now we're gonna move on to highlighter. I take the same thing. It's my Mineral Radiance Quad thingy from Youngblood, and it's in the shade Splendor. I take a combination of this rose gold shade and this like pearlescent shade, I guess you could call it. And then I also take just the slightest amount and apply it on my nose bridge. And then we're gonna do the eyebrow highlight and stuff after, since we're gonna do an eyeshadow look today. I have the same palette that I've always had from Amazon for my colored eyeshadows. It's the Beauty Glazed Impressed You eyeshadow palette. It was like $12. Has a good range of colors if y'all ever want to purchase. So this is how it looks. It has a lot of nice colors. Let's try to work with these kind of 3 shades here for the the lid shade. Obviously I'll do like transition shades and crease color with this. And then I'm gonna try doing lower lashes with the sparkly green. We'll see how that looks. I don't know if it's gonna look good or not, but let's try that out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start with my crease color for the transition shade. So I am going to take these two shades here. Those just match my crease color the best, and I just kind of tap both of them, tap the excess off, and then go ham. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm using a pointy, fluffy brush. It's really dense, but it's also pointy and long, so like the bristles are not really packed. So I like to use this for my crease just because I just feel like it provides good movement and a good amount of flexibility for actually putting that transition shade in. I also always start off with the transition shade. I know some people start off with like lid and then they use transition shade to like transition, but I like to start off with it just because I think it provides like a good base, and then you don't get that like harsh crease line. But we are going to take this darker brown right here, and I'm gonna put that in my outer part of the crease. I just take the smallest amount, honestly. I think the biggest thing for me when doing like cool eyeshadow looks is using a light hand, and so yeah, I think that's good for this eye too. So now we're gonna do the lid shade part of it. So I'm gonna take this middle one right here. I'm just going to very lightly try to pack it on my lid. When you're doing your lid color, remember to bring it up to meet that line where the crease is at. So that once again there's no like harsh line or like that gap between the crease transition and your lid color. So I'm actually gonna go back in with those two transition shades that I had and just kind of reblend to make sure that everything looks nice and seamless. A tip for you guys who want to have a more pigmented lid shade, go ahead and go in with your ring or your middle finger and pick up that shade on there and apply it directly on your lid after you kind of reblend your transition shade. That will really help make the lid color really pop because of the warmth of your finger. Let's go in with maybe this gold color here. It's like a sparkly gold for the eyebrow highlight. I would never actually wear this as an eyebrow highlight, but since it's Christmas, that's what we're gonna do because it's like literally yellow. Oh my god. Oh well, it's the holidays. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do for that. And I'm gonna go in with it a little bit for my inner corner here. Just the slightest bit. I am gonna go in with my dense packing brush, and it is angled like this. I am gonna go in with this sparkly green shade, tap off the excess because you don't want any fallout. And then kind of towards the end, whoa, my eyes are really green, holy. Kind of looks cool though. I haven't done my eyebrows, so it looks a little wacky, but I'm gonna go in and pick up that dark brown shade that we put at the outer part of the crease color, just to kind of pull in that look so it's not just like bam green, you know. Okay, I think that's good. I'm starting to look like a clown. Okay. So I think that's awesome for the eyes. That's where I'm gonna leave it at. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes real quick. I'm also going to go ahead and apply some pencil eyeliner to my lower and upper lashes, but I'm going to tightline. So honestly, if you guys have liquid liner, go ahead and do that. Do the wing and all that at this phase. I am just way too lazy to do that, and I don't even own liquid liner anymore. That is the eyes. I don't wear mascara, so go ahead and put that on at this phase. I just hate the feeling of it. I can't stand it. So next thing we're gonna do is fill in the eyebrows. Once again, I have my eyebrow pencil right here, but I just don't use it anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead with my transparent Great Lash by Maybelline, and it's just clear eyebrow gel pretty much. I like to use this for my eyebrow hairs because they tend to go pretty crazy, and that's kind of the only thing I do for my eyebrows. I also like to brush my eyebrow hairs up because that's just the kind of person I am. I like it to look natural and fluffy. I don't tend to brush it down. Yeah, that's literally all I do. And then also, fun fact, I think I've mentioned this before, if you have baby hairs, use the remnants of your brow gel on it and they will most likely disappear. Mine still have a mind of their own, but you know how it is. Okay, yay. This is my favorite, I guess, lip product I use. It definitely does transfer, this one at least, because it's red. It is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I wore this the other day and I love how it looks for the holidays, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this as my last step. So these are the earrings of my choice. I wore this during my holiday party over the weekend. These are actually from H&M and they're just huge, like sparkly, thin red hoops. I have like the medium size and the smaller size of this, but I don't know, it's a holiday party, so I like to wear big hoops, you know? So that's how they look. I love that. It's just thin and simple, but like it's also red and sparkly, so it's like awesome, you know? Another option you also have is these kind of earrings. I don't know, like you can honestly wear any earrings you want, but something to kind of tie in that green. So these are actually from Shein. They're so chic and like very like Gatsby vintage vibes. I don't know, they're really pretty and they're from Shein. They were like $4, so go check their website out. They honestly have a great website for like unique stuff. I've just always found that. I'm pretty much just wearing like a black tank top and I have this like mustard yellow cardigan that I got from TJ Maxx. So yeah, that is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know, I hope it helps you guys out for like your future holiday parties or anything you're having tonight maybe, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your 2019, as much as there is left. I'm gonna post my New Year's like outfit video thingy that I posted last year. I really enjoyed doing that and I've been wanting to film an outfit video, so look out for that. It'll be out in a couple of days. I'll basically do some like New Year's outfit looks for like staying at home, kind of like holiday party looks, and like going to a concert. I don't know, like just some cool New Year's party looks. But yeah, with that being said, that'll be the end of this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.